Masslift Africa has helped me in so many ways by allowing me to gain skills. I can now operate a forklift. Soon I'll be going for my crane license. I appreciate the hands-on training from Masslift due to the fact that my previous experience, nobody has given me a chance. All the job interviews I've been for, the people were either trying to exploit me or not offering me a chance to develop as a person. Looking to the future, I'd also like to obtain a second trade as a diesel mechanic. I'm thankful for my workshop manager and training manager as well as my team. And also, I'm thankful for Masslift for giving me this opportunity and believing in me.